How to delete Happn account on mobile. Let's get started. First of all, launch the Happn application in your mobile device and make sure to log into your Happn account. Once you land in this page, now navigate to top right corner. There is your profile icon, tap on it. Now in this profile page, again tap on the settings icon from the top left corner. Now under this configuration page, scroll down a bit and under personal data, tap on my data option. Now under my data, at the end of this interface or at the end of this menu, there you will find an option as delete my account, tap on it. From here again, tap on delete my account. Now you have to provide the reason why you are leaving or deleting your account. Then tap on yes, I'm done. And with that, your account will be deleted. So that's the way to delete your Happn account on mobile, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.